receive that email confirmation or the thank you screen, the Tow Deals representative will call you to let you know that you have been approved, and then they will send you an email similar to this where you click on the link in your email. Go ahead and click on that. It'll bring you to the complete your registration. This is where you put in the email address that that you used. Put in a username. So this is the username that you're going to use to sign in. So any type of screen name will work here. And then put in your real name and of course a password. And go ahead and complete the registration. And this is the setup wizard. Once you complete all these steps, it will go ahead and this part will remove, and this part down here will show up. So go ahead and let's start here. We're going to update your logo. If you don't have one, you can email them and maybe possibly get one. But go ahead and click on the update button right there, and it'll bring you to here where we go ahead and you browse for logo. I've already preloaded one, and then go ahead and make sure you hit update, and then it'll change your percentage once you click here, and you'll see that that is now green. This is enable your auto quote. Auto quote options are a really good thing to have. This is where people will search on the site for service provider, and your set prices will show up on the website. So go ahead and put in your charges here. So whatever your hookup is, and then your in-route mile per charge, and the loaded mile per charge, and then of course how many ever free miles that you offer. If you offer free miles, that would be the radius from where the tow truck or your service vehicle is located at. And then of course this is the load miles if it was a tow truck. And if you have a percentage surcharge that you want to add on top of that, that's where this would go here. So we got that auto quote function selected. Make sure that's selected, and go ahead and hit update company. Now go ahead and click here. Now you want to go ahead and set the hours for the locations. So go ahead and click that, and we're going to get into the hours. So whatever hours that you're available, you want to set those here. Or if you want to be open 24 hours a day, go ahead and select these here, and this will keep you on the map 24/7. So long as that you're signed in on the app part. Click the save hours. It's successfully saved. Click here to continue. Update your location. So this means you're gonna have to go ahead and make sure you name your location. So we're gonna go ahead and name this the main lot, and make sure you have the address there. Put your phone number. This is the email, or this is the phone number that you will be displayed on the website itself for people looking for you. And then of course put a email address here. This is when you receive the dispatches. These will be emails or phone numbers of anybody who is actually signed on or ready to accept calls. So you can go ahead and put your cell phone number in here, and then select your service provider. I'll just do a test real quick here and show you. Make sure you select service provider, and then hit add phone number. And you can see it carries it over to here. Now if you want to also receive emails, go ahead and put the email address in here, and let's get rid of that space there. Hit save. Okay, now let's say, oh, I forgot the .com. Perfect. Okay, so now what's going to happen is when you receive an auto quote and somebody selects your company to actually request your service, you're going to get a text message at the phone number that you provided here, and an email. So you can put a driver in here, driver's phone number in here, a manager's phone number, a dispatch phone number, anything in here that you want. And those are the people that will be noted when you are selected for that job. This is the phone number that's advertised on the site itself. That's the difference there. Go ahead and click here once you've complete that. And this is where you invite drivers. If you have more than one driver or dispatchers or anything like that, that's where you click here. And this is where you put in their email address and then what kind of user you want. Do you want them to be a location manager or just a driver? And then you would go ahead and send them that email and register the user. So I can go ahead and put in, I'm just going to make this a driver, and they will go ahead and get an email just like you did, and then they'll have to click on that and set up their account. Go ahead and click here, and now you have to add a truck to your fleet. So we're going to go ahead and name this truck 01. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to put Chevy. This is going to be like a flatbed. and 99. So you're going to add a truck to your fleet. Perfect. Now it shows where this vehicle is at, and it's truck number 1. And you see we got a logo here, and it is currently set as available for receiving calls. You can change that here, or you can do it on the app itself. Go ahead and click here, and looks like we missed that too. Okay, so we click that, select truck from the company, and go ahead and add that to the company, and that should be saved, and it is. Now we're at 73%, and now we're going to go ahead and update our services. What services do we offer to our customers? We offer tow truck service, tire change service, battery replacements, rollover, lockout service, fuel delivery, winch outs. We don't have a quick pick, so we're not going to go ahead and select that. Go ahead and select jump start as well, if you do them, of course. The DUI saver is designated driver service to and from bars to their home. You can read each description here. If you have a small truck, you can select this for low clearance parking garage. And if you're a mobile mechanic, select this option. If you're a locksmith, select this option. And if you do junk car removal, that would be this option. So we go ahead and selected what we want. We're at 82%. And now we have to make sure that you download and install the Tow Deals application for your Android or your iOS device. Once that's done, you can go ahead and, or to get to that point, you can either click on 2 of these links here or these 2 down here, and it will go ahead and send you the link to your phone. Go ahead and install it, and then you use the username and password that you created here. Go ahead and select this once that's completed, and now we should be at 100%. Now we are. Now you've completed the first step of signing up for the Tow Deals account.